All right, here's the problem, boys and girls. Sally scooped out 43 pieces of hard candy to buy at the store. She wants to divide the candy evenly among 18 people. How many pieces of candy will each person get? So here's my question. What are the important numbers? Okay. You have one important number for me? 43 was one of my, oh, there we go. 43 was one of my important numbers. There was another important number. Do you remember? 18 was another important number. Okay? 43 is important because it was the number of pieces of the hard candy. It's important to know hard candy versus soft candy. And then 18 is the number of people that is going to be getting it divided among, right? So my number sentence that I need to write is what, boys and girls? 43 divided by 18, right? So, and we need to figure out what that equals. Now we can set that up with partial quotients, right? So I'm going to write it off to the side here. 43 divided by 18. So I asked myself the question, how many 18s fit into 43? 2. 2 times 18 is 36, right? So we can see that we're going to get a remainder here because once I do my trading, 4 goes down to 3, slide the 1 in front, 13 minus 6 is 7. So my answer is 2 remainder 7. And since the focus for today is interpreting remainders, the question is, what do we do? What do we do with the remainder? We only have 3 options. We only have 3 options. Ignore it. Okay? We can use it as a fraction or a decimal, meaning we're talking about parts. Or we can round it up to the next whole number. Meaning, so here's our answer choices. Our answer is either going to be 2. It's going to be 2 and 7/18. Or it's going to be 3. Those are our only 3 answer choices that we have in interpreting a remainder. So here's the question. If we only started with 43 pieces of candy, do we have the option of giving everybody 3 pieces? No, we don't. We could give some people 2 pieces and other people 3 pieces, but it's not fair. Okay? Well, it's okay if you give the 3, right? But we want to keep this equal for right now. We want to keep this equal for right now. We could break the candy, but it's hard candy, like the peppermints or the butterscotches. That's why I said it's important to know that it's hard candy versus soft candy. Soft candy is pretty easy to cut into pieces, right? Right? But hard candy, if you try and break that, are the pieces equal? No, it just kind of shatters like glass, doesn't it? Right. So our only logical option here then, to make sure that it stays fair, is that we're going to have some leftover pieces that we just don't care about. Well, they're just kind of left over.
If you're the one who's handing them out.
So in this situation, what's the best way? Everybody gets 2 pieces. 2, we try and break them into pieces, or everybody gets 3 pieces.
2 pieces.
Everybody's going to get 2 pieces. So that right there is interpreting the remainder, what we do with it. Okay? So what we've got going on today. It starts off, you can see that it offers a couple different options. Drawing a picture. Sometimes drawing a picture is the best way to show division. Especially when we are looking at this problem here, 43 divided by 18. They're not big numbers. 43 and 18 are not big numbers. So 18 is not a basic fact, so knowing that 2 times 18 is 36 isn't going to be right off the top of many of your heads. So you can draw a picture. Okay? So as you go through, you're going to kind of do the same thing. Understand that you only have 3 answer choices. Round down, split your number into, or split your remainder into a fraction or a decimal, or round up. Okay. And that's what you need to know for today.